Hey there, friend. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your online business, I've got something exciting to share with you. What if I told you there's a software that can build your entire online business in just a few clicks? No complicated tech, no coding headaches, and no need to hire an expensive team? Sounds too good to be true? It's not. This is Funnel Freedom, and it's changing the game for entrepreneurs, affiliate marketers, and small business owners in 2025. Today, I'm going to walk you through why this might be the most powerful all-in-one system to launch, grow, and automate your business, even if you're starting from scratch. So stick around because what you're about to discover could truly transform your life. Now, before I dive in, I want you to understand something very real. We're living in a time where people are building full-time incomes from their laptops, and not with gimmicks, but with real, automated systems that run 24/7. And Funnel Freedom is exactly that. This is more than just a funnel builder. It's an all-in-one business system designed to help you make money online, even while you sleep. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how Funnel Freedom works, what makes it so beginner-friendly, how you can earn commissions on autopilot, how to use the built-in AI agent to help local businesses, and how this software can become your most powerful digital asset. Funnel Freedom is an all-in-one marketing platform that lets you build funnels from scratch or use ready-made templates, automate your email marketing, inject affiliate links into pre-written email sequences, add AI agents to any website, and even resell the software or services to local businesses. What makes it so powerful is that it doesn't just give you tools, it gives you an entire ecosystem that works together and packed with features designed for both beginners and pros. Let's talk about something that blew me away: automated affiliate email sequences. Simply paste in your current affiliate links into the designated boxes inside the software, and boom. The system injects your links into pre-written, high-converting emails. These emails are already set to go out on your behalf on a predetermined date and time. No copywriting, no tech headaches. Just plug in your links, and the emails promote for you automatically. Imagine setting this up once, and having emails go out day after day, week after week, promoting tools and software that pay you every single month. That's what I mean when I say this can change your life, because now, you're earning commissions while focusing on growing your audience, creating content, or even spending time with your family. Now let's move to another power-packed feature: the Funnel Builder and the AI agent. The Funnel Builder is drag-and-drop super intuitive. Whether you're building a lead capture page, a sales funnel, a webinar registration page, or a full-blown product launch funnel, it's all in here. You can start from scratch or pick from templates and customize them in seconds. No coding, no headaches. But here's where it gets even better: the AI agent. This feature allows you to build an intelligent chatbot that lives on any website, and it can be trained to handle customer questions, book appointments, or capture leads. You can train it specifically on a business, so if you're working with a roofer, plumber, or chiropractor, you can load it up with info about services, prices, hours, FAQs, and more. This AI agent doesn't sleep. It works 24/7. That means no more missed opportunities just because the business was closed or someone didn't answer the phone. This alone can save businesses thousands and help them make more money just by not missing out on leads. And here's the entrepreneurial angle I love with Funnel Freedom. You can offer services to small business owners using this very software. Sell AI chatbot setup to local businesses. Build landing pages or funnels for local companies. Offer email automation setup as a service. Or just resell access to Funnel Freedom itself. If you're into freelancing, local marketing, or even running an agency, this can be a huge income stream. Local businesses will gladly pay you $300, $500, even $1,000 or more for a done-for-you website funnel or a lead generation AI chatbot. So not only can you use this tool to make money passively, but you can also turn it into an active service-based business. Let me be clear. Funnel Freedom is for affiliate marketers, coaches and consultants, freelancers and agencies, small business owners, beginners who want a simple way to earn online, and anyone looking for real automation without the monthly costs. It's perfect if you want freedom, flexibility, and full control over your business, without relying on 10 different tools to get the job done. So here's the bottom line. Funnel Freedom gives you automated income systems, a fully built affiliate email campaign, AI tools for local business domination, powerful funnel builder and the ability to turn this software into a service. If you're ready to step into your next level, I highly recommend you check out Funnel Freedom. I've dropped the link in the description below. Go take a look and start building your business today. And if you found this video helpful, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe for more content like this, and drop a comment if you have any questions. I read and reply to everyone. This is the year you take control. The tools are here. The timing is perfect. The only thing missing is your action. Let's go.